and Colton and I are back again here from the Elyria Public Library System for more mug meals. And today we have a treat for you. We are going to make muffins and a delicious vegan chocolate cake. But guess what? There's more! You get to pick up your own kit. Yes, your own kit. You can go to the South branch or you can call any of our Elyria branches and order your kit. Okay, so in the chocolate chip muffins, we have chocolate chips, vanilla, the flour, sugar, and baking soda. So all your dry ingredients are in one bag. The only thing you need to bring is your milk and your butter. In the vegan chocolate cake, you have your banana, cocoa powder, almond butter, and vegan chocolate chips. All you'll need is butter to coat the cup. That's it. Okay, so today I am making chocolate chip muffins, and what you need is 2 tablespoons of butter, and remember, you need to have that from your kitchen. I'm going to melt the butter first. Okay, after you melt the butter, ooh, yummy butter, you're going to add the milk, and you're going to add the vanilla. And give it a little mix. Then, since your flour, sugar, and baking soda are all set, you just have to pour it right in. And then mix it up. In your kit, you have some chocolate chips, but I'm not feeling chocolate chips today. And since this is your mug meal, today I'm gonna add blueberries. And just like at home, if you don't want the chocolate chips, you can add whatever you want. It's a muffin. Okay, so now my batter is all ready. I'm going to add my blueberries and mix it in. All set, now I'm ready to cook it. So, you're gonna cook it for 2 minutes, and then, if it's not cooked, remember, 30-second bursts. It's done. It only took me 2 minutes, and it looks almost like a pancake, and it smells delicious. So remember, you can come and pick up your kit here at the South Branch, or you can call any of the Elyria Public Libraries to set up your own kit. Now, Colton is up next, and he is doing a vegan chocolate cake. I can't wait.
Hello everybody, how's it going today? My name's Colton, and like Jennifer said, I'll be making a delicious, scrumptious vegan chocolate cake. Now, if you already followed along with Jennifer's part of the video, you have already made a super great muffin. And you're kind of wondering about the ingredients that you have left, because all I gave you is almond butter, vegan chocolate chips. These are the same ones that I used when I made the chocolate fondue. Super, super good. And cocoa powder and a banana. Now, you're probably wondering, do I need anything else? Do I need some milk, flour? Do I need some eggs? What did Colton give me? But no, I got you covered today, because these 4 ingredients are gonna create a delicious chocolate cake. Not trying to mess with you guys. It actually is super, super good. I made brownies with an avocado once. That was terrible, so don't let anyone lie to you there. But this is super good. It's vegan. This is even almond butter, so it's gonna be peanut free. If you have just a complete nut allergy, sunflower butter would work as well. So with these 4 ingredients, the only thing you're gonna need is to put some cooking spray in your mug, which I've already done beforehand. But other than that, I got everything you'll need to make a delicious vegan chocolate cake. Let's get started. So like I said, the first step is gonna be putting your cooking spray or melting a little vegan butter in your mug, swirling it around, make sure it coats the sides. I've already done that. We've done that in a few videos. You know how it goes. So the next step is your mixing bowl. You're gonna add your banana, which you're gonna want an overripe banana. You're gonna like the kind of banana you need for banana bread or other baked goods. A little trick from my mom: if your banana isn't ripe, this one overripe, this one is perfectly overripe. If it isn't, what you're gonna do is you're actually just gonna bake it in an oven. I don't know, my mom told me about it, and I believe her because she's my mom. And so you bake it for 300 degrees for about 25 minutes, and you'll have a perfect baking banana. Now, it's not gonna work on green bananas. Apparently, they just need to mature a little more. But if you have a kind of just like a yellow banana, just bake it for 25 minutes, and it got you covered. So we're gonna add this one. Oh yeah, this one's really soft. This one's perfect for what we need today. So we're gonna add our bananas. And then we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. And everything's already measured out, so it's 2 tablespoons. And then our peanut butter. Now, almond butter. So 2 tablespoons of almond butter. And then we're gonna mix everything together. I recommend using a fork, so I'm gonna switch to a fork, because you're gonna want a really, really smooth batter. And it's a little tricky to stir. You're gonna have to really get there and really mush it up a little bit. So it might take a little bit longer than normally mixing or what Jennifer was doing when she was mixing. So we're gonna mush it up and make it good. Until you get a cake batter, which is kind of weird to think about with just a banana, cocoa powder, and almond butter, but you're gonna get a batter. So I finished up stirring, and like I said, it's a lot of stirring. For a while there, you're gonna see just kind of like a dusty banana for a really long time, but that's why you use the fork, and you're gonna kind of mash it on top, and as you keep stirring. It's gonna be a little bit of a process, but eventually you will get a delicious batter. Perfect, right? So our next step is to add in our vegan chocolate chips. Like I said, these are the ones from the chocolate fondue that we did last time. That is super good. These are awesome. Now, in the kit, you're gonna get 2 kinds of chocolate chips. The other chocolate chips, they're gonna be bigger. Those are the milk chocolate chips. Those are for Jennifer's muffin. But the ones for mine are gonna be the mini chips. And we're gonna have, they're gonna be in these little containers here, and they're gonna be tiny. So those are how you're gonna know that these are vegan. So you're gonna add in 2 tablespoons. Leave a little bit because you wanna be able to decorate the top. So we're gonna add those in now. And just leave a little bit for the top, and we're just gonna stir those through. And once everything's mixed through, it's time to bake. And actually, a little pro tip, since there's no egg or anything that actually needs baked, you can eat this as is, and it's a super good chocolate banana pudding. So that's an option as well. But like I said, I'm gonna add it to my mug here that I already sprayed with cooking spray so it doesn't stick to the side. You don't want to miss out on any of this delicious goodness. So we're going to add it to our mug. And once you have everything inside, you're going to add and decorate with a little bit of chocolate chips on the top. And there we go. Now it's time to bake. For baking, you're gonna do about 1 minute, and if it's not done, you're gonna do 30-second bursts, much like the muffin as well. It's not gonna get firm, it's not gonna get like a regular cake since we're kind of doing it differently with a banana, but you want the consistency of a warm, gooey brownie or some kind of a lava cake, so that's what you're kind of looking for. So I'm gonna go microwave, and when I come back, we'll see how I did, okay? So I just microwaved my vegan chocolate cake for 1 minute, and then I did another 30 seconds, and it looks and smells great. And like I said, it's not gonna get super firm. It's still gonna have that warm, gooey, brownie, lava cake kind of feel to it, which is honestly fine by me. So a delicious cake made with just a banana, a little bit of almond butter, cocoa powder, and chocolate chips, and it looks so good. And the best part is you can make your very own vegan chocolate cake and muffin for free, which is the best price, which I've always thought. When you pick up a mug meal kit available at the Elyria Public Library South branch, or call and reserve to pick it up at one of your other favorite branches as well. Again, my name's Colton, and for Jennifer and myself, I'd like to thank you guys so very, very much for watching. And please make sure to check out the Elyria Public Library's YouTube channel for for other great videos as well. Bye.